Hey guys, this is me Kate here and I welcome you to our another episode of tutorial video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to auto scroll on TikTok without using your hands on Android device. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, you wanna make sure that your TikTok app is updated to its latest version. For that, open Play Store and on the search bar, search for TikTok. And in here, make sure that your TikTok app is updated. You will see an update option where I have open. So from there, you can simply update your TikTok app. Once the app is updated, open the TikTok app and then you have to log into your TikTok account. Once you log into TikTok account, now in order to scroll the TikTok without using your hands, what you can do is simply hold the screen for a second. Then a dialog box will pop up with a multiple menus such as report, not interested, clear display and auto scroll. So if you tap on auto scroll, once this video gets and next video will automatically pop up. So this is how you can simply auto scroll on TikTok without using your hands. I hope this video was helpful and do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching again. I will see you on next tutorial.